show you this extension here, and I'm just going to show you how it looks in my school community AI by Design Academy. And I have the extension on, and it is a Chrome extension hiding right here. It's just called School Extensions, and you do get it in the Chrome store. But I did have to go to the group, so I'll share the group that I got this from here in a minute. And or here's what it looks like when it is on your computer. So first, this extension is so cool. It helps you really to manage your school community, and it is free. There are premium features which I do not have. So everything I'm showing you today is on the free. Okay. So the first thing is you can hide the sidebar. So you have these links that right here that you have pinned, and you can hide those. You can change it to dark mode or light mode, whichever you're on. So I'm on dark mode right now. I can change it to light mode. You can blur profiles. So if you ever wondered how people are blurring their profiles when they are doing, or other people's profiles when they're doing their lives and they're inside of their school, this is how. So everyone's name is blurred out here. So you cannot see who is in this community if I'm doing a live and I blur this out. Then you can turn it to focus mode. So focus mode hides this. See this? It hides the notifications. Okay. And then you have your streak activity. So it lets School puts a fire emoji after your name once you have, been active in school for so long. So it's telling me my streak days 25, and I believe it's 30 days. So if I keep it up for the next 5 days, then I will have a fire emoji, which I've had before, but then I fell off. It happens. You have this cat, and so you can hide the cat. The cat comes and it's put there. Now, it does have music. I would hide it and then take it off, but when it comes back on, it has some music that plays. But once the music plays, then it doesn't come back on. So, but I just love it because it sits here on top, and it's just something really cool to look at. It is right above your window to post your post. Okay. Um, the other thing is, speaking of post your posts, in your post here, you can send a voice message or you can send a video message. All right. Next thing we have is the sidebar over here. So we've got these streaming activities. So first, I can go into community stream, and I can select the communities. I have like 50 some odd communities, and I can select the communities that I want to show up here. So I can show the unread portions, or I can show the hidden ones as well. So these are the unread ones from today, and then I can click on them. And if you want a link to DCT, let me know because I will give you the link. And then, so that was the post that's in DCT for today. Okay. I'm going to drop the link actually below this video so that if you want to join DCT, you can do that with my referral link. Okay. Now, so that's what it does here. Or you can select all communities, and then everything that you have, will come in there. Okay. Next thing is schedules. So there's a schedules, and it shows you what's going on today. Just went to that one. So the things that are going on in the individual communities, including your own. So what's on the calendar. And so you can look at all the schools that you have chosen. Either that's all communities or the ones that you have chosen. And or you can go to your classroom, but that only tells you for that specific community, right? It doesn't show you for everything all together. So I love this aspect of it. I can get all my communities at a glance. Okay. The next thing is bookmarks. So I don't have any bookmarks, but you can search your bookmarks and you can bookmark there. And then if you have group chats, I don't know what's going on with that. I need to play around with that some more, but you can chat with groups, and I'm going to figure that out. And I may come back with you with another video. And then you have your messages. So I have my messages here, and it's blurred out. Why? Because I have the show profiles. I have it blurred out. And then my notifications. So here are my notifications. And then you have your settings. So I can change what's showing for my appearance, and I can show for my communities, discovery, post settings. So I can change all of these features. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a really cool um, extension, and you can actually get a premium version of it. Now you can join the community, and the community is of course in Skool, and it is free. It's called Skool Extensions, and I'm going to drop the link to my for my referral. And I don't think they have really anything in here as far as referrals, but just in case they do, I'm going to drop my link, and if when you go here, you can, sign up there. So that's that. So I hope you enjoy this Skool extension. It really is a good extension here. And you can open and close this sidebar. You can pin the sidebar, or you can even change the grid view here, right? You can move this and change this and make this come a little bit further out or over to here. So it is a really good. I really love this extension, and I encourage you to add this onto your Chrome. All right, that's it. Until we meet again, be seen, be heard, and get paid with AI. Take care.
Simplify with AI, cut it down.